Cadillac Escalade having a complaint about black smoke. Less engine power. Check engine lights on. You won't believe what I did and solved the said complaint. As a matter of fact, I use a scan tool and review the parameters. Look at the parameters data. As you can see, the engine coolant temperature drops to negative 39 degrees Celsius. Bear in mind, if the DTC-ECT sensor says circuit high voltage, the wire was either disconnected or open circuit. This is what I found. A cutting wire, repaired, and replaced the connector. Old one where? Then review the data and see the changes after the repair. Connect the connector into the ECT sensor. Then review the data and the value has been changed. Negative value is no longer now. Proceed to the next DTC. It has a transmission port. TFT sensor circuit high voltage. As you can see, TFT was negative 39 centigrade. This was the DTC before the repair. 1-2 solenoid control circuit means open short to ground. It says yes. After the repair 1-2 solenoid open short to ground, it says no. Before the repair 3-2 solenoid open short to ground, it says yes. After the repair 3-2 solenoids open short to ground, it says no. Before the repair of TCC duty cycle open short to ground, it says yes. After the repair of TCC duty cycle open short to ground, it says no. Before the repair of TCC enable open short to ground, it says yes. After the repair of TCC enable open short to ground, it says no. Upon diagnosis on top of the transmission, the harness has been beaten by the mouse and the 3 wires was apart, which was the cause of transmission failure. And this is what I found out. Scan tool is essential to pinpoint out the fault. It will say the circuit is open short to ground. As I zoom in, it was very visible, the beaten wire by the mouse. If you can do it yourself by joining the beaten wire, just follow the wire color code in order to fix properly, just like before, and minimize the labor cost.
My electrician?
I am joking,
From Tamil
my
Nadu.
assistant, but he is very interested to fix it. Instead of me, he doesn't want to take my hand working and assist me. He grabbed at me. He said, leave it to me, I can do it. He learned from me a lot. He is hard worker, industrious, sharp memory, quick on service, patience, and an idle technician, workaholic guy. This is the vehicle Cadillac Escalade that has been repaired. With the guide of a scan tool, I solved the fault instantly. This video, after the repair, I used a scan tool to clear all fault, current, and store codes. Manipulation of the scan tool from late data, active tests, special functions, and review after the repair. As you can see, the differences of sensors value. If the fault codes is still erasable or current. The actual video footage of how I did diagnosis of the fault codes from beginning to the end and did the proper repair and eliminated the check engine light, restore engine power, and transmission shifting to normal, from low gear to high gear, downshift to upshift, and kick down. Lastly, stall test to check the torque of the torque converter. Thanks for watching.
He told I'll tell Eddie to check the car.
Please kindly don't forget to subscribe. Your subscription is highly appreciated. Thank you so much. Who will fill petrol? You think we can reach? Huh?
We can, I guess.
Only you guess.